Assalamu alaikum, 10th class. Hope you are all fine. Yes, I am also good, alhamdulillah. Yes, 10th class, we have completed our comprehension of unit number 3. Now it's turn for the grammar portion. Yes, 10th class, we have already discussed this part yesterday. Now move towards the grammar portion of page number 32. Here is fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. There is no need to shout. Dash can help you. क्या आएगा? I. Number 2 is you and I work well together. Dash are good team. अब here we see R is here and there is two person. That's why we will put way. We have got a bit of the problem. Could dash help dash please? Then we will use you and us. This is a good photo, isn't dash is Samina in dash. Here we will talking about or here the blank is about photo. Photo is non-living thing. That's why we will put it in both the blanks. Yes, dash, that's dash. Look, dash is next to Fah, तो क्या आएगा? She. In both. Who did this moving? Number 5. Dash, I did dash this morning. It. Okay. And number 6. Is this Ahmed's bag? No, dash didn't bring one. Yani he didn't bring one. It cannot belong to Ahmed. Number 7, I am looking for my shoes. Have dash seen dash? And have you seen them? Yes, they are here. Select the pronouns that agree with the subject of each. Anyone can get dash name in the news. His or her. Anyone किसी ने उनका नाम अखबार में पढ़ा है या देखा है तो क्या आएगा? His or her. नन ऑफ द चेक्स वर कैश्ड. अब यहाँ पे चेक जो है वो ज्यादा है तो क्या आएगा? दे फाइनली एक्सपायर्ड. माई मदर एंड हर सिस्टर टुक डैश वेकेशन यानी देयर. ऑल आर वेलकम डैश जस्ट नीड टू कॉल फॉर डायरेक्शन फॉर द पार्टी यू. Venus and Mars have dash orbits near to Earth than to any other planet. तो क्या आएगा? There. The band starts dash toward tomorrow night. It's आएगा. All of the candidates could win dash are very much alike. They are very much alike यानी बहुत मिलते जुलते हैं. All of the candidates are in plural form. That's why we put they. Everybody has dash on dream and goals. So we will put his or her. Clear? Now move towards the next. Degree of adjective. Adjectives basically are the modifiers which explain the meaning of or enhance the meaning of noun or pronoun. Here we will do the degrees. That's why we move towards the point degree. Positive है, comparative and superlative. Positive degree haven't any comparison. Here we see a heart interest. Comparative degree is a comparison between two things or between two objects, and superlative degree is a comparison between more than two. Okay, with the class, with the community. Complete the sentence by supplying the correct degree of adjective. My family and I went to visit Murray last summer. Out of all the summer I have had, I would say this was the dash summer ever. यानी यहाँ पे good उसने ब्रैकेट में लिखा है. Here the superlative degree should become because for all of the summer. It is comparing one summer with other summers. ठीक है? तो क्या आएगा? Best. In Murray we enjoyed the horse ride. I rode a horse that run dash and dash on the hills faster and faster. We also climbed a tree. When I reached the highest branch, I was dashed than my sister. Here is a comparison between the sister and a brother, or between sister and the person who is talking about. तो क्या आएगा? More tired. I bought a jacket which was quite dash. There is no comparison. That's why we will put expensive. And my sister chose a sweater because she found it much to buy cheaper. Okay, comparison of the sweater and the jacket. After our trip, I feel I am the dash body on earth, the luckiest. Okay. Order of adjectives. Basically, here we will discuss that if there is more than one adjective in a sentence, how we can put them. First of all, we have to see the if there is value, then we will put at first point. Then second, size. Then third, age or temperature. Then shape. Then color, origin, and material. Now they can open your book at page number 34. Here we saw grey huge R, whale in the sea. R is the value है, okay. Huge is the size and grey is the color. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? A huge grey. Babur uses that blue medium rubber. तो क्या आएगा? Medium blue rubber. Mehreen brought few are clothes dark triangular. A few triangular dark clothes. Clear? According to this sequence, we are using this sequence to write the more than one adjective. The pyramids of the Egypt are made up of rock, enormous triangular. क्या आएगा? Enormous triangular rocks, because enormous is the size, triangular is shape, and material is the rock. Shahid can eat a thin crust square 5. 5 is value, thin is you can say the size, crust is the, you can say और नहीं, crust जो है ना, crust square is the shape, thin crust यानी एक ही आएगा, तो it is your size. Okay, now move towards the next adjective phrase. An adjective phrase, the group of words that function like an adjective. Move towards the example. First of all, the umbrella, black umbrella is mine, and the umbrella with a broken handle is mine. Here a difference between these two. First, in part A, it is only adjective, but in part B, with a broken handle is your adjective phrase. Basically, adjective phrase, if we discuss phrase, first of all, phrase is a group of words which haven't their proper sense, but when they meet with other things, they make a sense. For example, with a broken handle. With a broken handle is basically a phrase. If I will not write subject and object here, then I can't understand it. What is with a broken handle? Okay, but if I put a subject and object, then I understand it is talking about the umbrella. Class 10th, it is very important for your objective point of view. Okay, be careful about it. Now open page number 35. Pick out the adjective phrases in each sentence. He bore a banner with a strange device. Bore a banner का मतलब उसने banner लगाया with a strange device is your noun. तो device के बाद साथ हमारा क्या है? With the strange is our adjective phrase. Okay. Now the number 2 is the principal of this school is on leave. The principal of the school. अब यहाँ पे principal of the school, principal is our noun, and of this school, it tells that it is talking about adjective phrase. Phrase बना रही है इसने क्योंकि there is a more than one word, and it tells about more about principal. Okay, the discussion of the judges is final. Sorry, decision. The decision of the judges is final, or it is talking about the decision of which person's judges. That's why the decision of the judges is your adjective phrase. The top of the mountains, and mountains, top of which things? Mountain. So it is also the adjective phrase. The runner in the rear didn't qualify. ठीक है, the runner in the rear, यानी ये एक जो idiom है, और here is also the runner हम in the rear. The runner in the rear is your adjective phrase. Yes. Here we will do today difference between will or and be going to. Will and we going to basically both talk about the future. But what is the difference between these two, we will discuss. Basically, will is used to make prediction. There is no evidence. प्रिडिक्शन क्या होता है? प्रिडिक्ट करना किसी चीज को, हमारे पास बस उसको हम प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं, हम उसको जो है रियलिटी नहीं है। परहैप्स इट विल रेन, शायद बारिश हो, वो होगी। अब यहाँ पे प्रिडिक्शन है किसी की जो है वो रियलिटी बेसिस बात नहीं है, किसी ने प्रिडिक्ट कर दिया, किसी ने अपना अपना ख्याल बता दिया, ठीक है। तो ये हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगी, पेशन गोई कर दी, कोई उसकी क्लैरिटी नहीं है, ठीक है। विल इज यूज फॉर अनप्लान्ड एक्शन इन द फ्यूचर। अब विल उन एक्शंस के बारे में बात करेंगे विच आर नॉट प्लान्ड। आई विल फ्लाई टू इंग्लैंड, मैं इंग्लैंड के लिए उड़ूंगा या मैं इंग्लैंड जाऊंगा। व्हेन, कोई प्लान नहीं बताया, ओके। बी गोइंग इज द ऑपोजिट टू इट, इसमें प्रिडिक्शन होगी, एविडेंस होगा, और इसमें जो है प्लान्ड होंगी, चीजें प्री प्लान्ड होंगी। हम एग्जाम्पल करेंगे तो हमें अच्छी तरीके से समझ आएगी। नंबर 1 इज वी डोंट हैव एनी ब्रेड, हमारे पास कोई ब्रेड नहीं है। आई नो। नंबर बी मतलब दे आर कन्वर्सेशन। आई डैश गेट सम फ्रॉम द शॉप। अब यहाँ पे एम गोइंग टू आएगा, वाइट सो बिकॉज इट इज अ रियलिटी। फिर दोबारा से अगर हम इसकी एग्जाम डेफिनेशन देखें तो ये एविडेंस है, यानी ब्रेड नहीं है हमारे पास, ये एविडेंस है, तो तभी तो हम लेने जाएंगे ना मार्केट से। क्लियर? वी डू नॉट हैव एनी ब्रेड रियली, आई डैश गेट सम फ्रॉम द शॉप। अब हियर इज अ प्रेडिक्शन, यानी हमारे पास कोई ब्रेड नहीं है, तो कह रहा है कि मैं बाजार से लेने जाऊंगा, ठीक है। why do you need to borrow my suitcase? तुम्हें मेरे सूटकेस क्यों जो है उधार लेना है। I dash visit my mother in मुल्तान next month। अब यहाँ पे I am going to, अब going to इसलिए लगाया है क्योंकि उसका प्लान बन चुका है, इसलिए वो जा रहा है, ठीक है। I am really cold, मुझे ठंड है। I dash turn the heater on। अब एविडेंस है कि ठंड लग रही है, हमारे पास एक प्लान आ गया, तो वो कह रहा है मैं हीटर चलाता हूँ। आर यू गोइंग टू जमशेद वेडिंग टुनाइट? यस। आर यू गोइंग टू? आई डैश गिव यू अ गिफ्ट, अ लिफ्ट। आई विल, यानी वो अब आपस में कन्वर्सेशन लगा रहे हैं कि आप जमशेद की शादी पर जाएंगे। वो कह रहा है कि आप भी जाएंगे, मतलब उन्होंने कोई जो है अभी आपस में प्लान नहीं किया हुआ, बस वो एक दूसरे से भी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो क्या आएगा, आई विल। Are you busy tonight? Would you like to have coffee? Sorry, I dash go to the library. I have been planning to study all day. अब here is a planning, only planning. उसने अब सिर्फ प्लान किया, अभी उसने वो किया नहीं, एक्शन, ओके। तो will like, why are you carrying a hammer? I dash put up some pictures. I am going to put अब उसने हैमर उठा ली है और उसको पता है उसने हैमर के साथ क्या करना है, उसके पास एविडेंस क्या है, उसके पास बात है कि उसने पिक्चर्स लगानी है। क्लियर? क्लियर 10th क्लास? I will hope that these exercises will clear to you, but if you have any issue regarding these, you must